Inside the all-new 2024 Lamborghini Revuelto. Lamborghini has delivered a truly unprecedented supercar experience with their latest model, the Revuelto. This new iteration combines classic power and performance with an electric hybrid V12 engine, offering 1,001 horsepower under its hood, making it one of the most powerful cars on the market today. It also features cutting-edge bodywork design, plus techy interior elements that offer increased practicality in addition to superior style. This is sure to become every car enthusiast's dream ride. Get ready for the latest addition to the Lamborghini family, the 2024 Revuelto. This striking new supercar draws its name from a Spanish fighting bull who left a mark in the 1880s. However, the name's literal translation, scrambled, seems to be an appropriate choice for this souped-up Lamborghini, a fusion of the future and the past. Boasting a hybridized V12 powertrain and an ultra-light carbon fiber structure, it's the perfect blend of power and sustainability. The Revuelto goes beyond traditional supercars with an onboard battery pack, setting a new standard for plug-in hybrids, making it an innovative triumph of engineering. With its predatory design and advanced technological features, the Revuelto is bound to become an icon in the world of supercars. Prepare to be wowed by the Revuelto's exceptional power output. When you combine the might of a 814 horsepower 6.5-liter V12 engine with 3 electric motors, you'll enjoy a mind-blowing peak of 1,001 horsepower. Thanks to 2 front-axle electric motors, the Revuelto offers agile torque vectoring during both power and regenerative braking. Additionally, an innovative third electric motor is integrated into the dual-clutch transmission, now housed behind the combustion engine. The 3.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack located between the seats delivers an impressive 187 horsepower of peak current flow, which can be seamlessly transferred between the 3 147 horsepower electric motors as necessary. With the Revuelto, you can enjoy the unprecedented ability to send power to both the front and rear, while the car functions as an electric vehicle. Suffice it to say, this impressive feat sets the Revuelto apart from competitors like the Ferrari SF90 Stradale. Rev up the excitement with a recharge that's both convenient and quick. While the front luggage compartment might not be the most accessible, it's there for those times when you need a quick power-up on the go. But for a truly electrifying experience, tap into the V12 and watch as the rear electric motor transforms into a high-energy generator. In the mere span of 6 minutes, you'll be ready to hit the road again with a fully charged battery pack. Talk about a speedy recharge. So why settle for just any old battery boost when you can take your driving game to the next level? The Revuelto's design is a perfect blend of familiarity and innovation. The legendary Lamborghini stance and proportions are boldly on display, always low and wedgy, with all the visual mass concentrated towards the rear. But the latest iteration of this classic design also boasts a host of fresh new details that are sure to impress even the most dedicated Lamborghini fans. The standout feature has to be the sleek hooded headlights that are now tucked under a hood running the entire length of the vehicle. And it's fascinating to learn that this futuristic twist on a timeless design was inspired by the Panigale superbike, another awe-inspiring creation from Lamborghini's sister brand, Ducati. The Revuelto boasts some seriously futuristic features that give it an edge over other supercars. The front lights take inspiration from the sleek Lamborghini Sian, while 2 spherical radar sensors create a visually striking display of cutting-edge technology. Its side profile is equally impressive, with massive air intakes that are emphasized even further by blade-like details. But perhaps the most striking design element is the aero wings that extend from the bodywork, channeling air and making for a truly unique and unforgettable appearance. According to Borkert, these wings are his favorite detail on the car, and it's easy to see why. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe,